So here's another room. It's vacant right now. So we're going to take a look at Shakunage, which is a popular room among repeaters because of its the bang for the buck, cost performance. See, kind of stylish entrance, and then come around. で、
ベッドルームまっすぐです。
ベッドルーム。おー。
どうぞ。
Okay, this is the bedroom.
中にお入りください。
Nice. You have the wooden beams up top. 相当の作業ですね、この天井とか。Oh, a lot of reflection, so it might be hard to tell, but actually you're, let's see. We'll see from the deck. All right. So, anyways, this is this is not a bed, and it's not quite a futon. It's a here. Let me show you. It's elevated a little bit. So, これが布団なんだけどもちょっと上がった感じ。
そうですね。
Yeah. So it's a futon on a little elevated platform.
今日は4名様ですので、お二つ出しておりますが、普段は中に入っております。
何がですか？
こちらの寒い
はいはいはい。So tonight, today there'll be 4 guests, so which is why the yukata there's for 2 people is out there, but it's usually typically for 2. It's in the closet. で、これが
はい、本間でございます。
本間ね、the main living quarters. You have a little seating area. 紅葉とかの時だったら綺麗。あ、これ桜なのかな？
桜ですね。
Oh, during cherry blossoms, all these will go nuts, bursting with pink and white color. で、ね、いいね、これ。まあ、修法もいいけども、修法はその広すぎてたくさんの人じゃない限り、そこも無駄の2つの部屋がありますよね。はい、ある意味では。また違った感じね。で、お風呂はどこでしたっけ？
ですね、こちら屋根が見えております。あちらが露天でございます。
あ、ちょっと外出るって言ってましたね。
はい、露天です。
So what you do is you go down a path, a stone path here, to その小屋のを過ぎたところにこうあるんですか？
はい、小屋が脱衣所でございます、ね。
ちょっとこっちから。
はい、こちら行かれますか？
行くほど広いんですか？そのお風呂は。っていうか窓の反射でね、この景色が全然上手に映らないので、
はい、
ちょっと待ってね。
はい、
これを
私がご用意します。
大丈
夫。小さいございます。女性用です。
女性用？
はい、こちら女性用ですね。
僕も足割と小さいですよ。
こちらでよろしいございますか？
いやいや、じゃあこっちで。はい。So now with the window out of the way, you can see the view. They're getting the shoes ready. So these Crocs ready for me. Okay. So this is the deck. You can see. Imagine the sakura cherry blossoms in full bloom, and then you come down. Put on my shoes. Okay, so you have your own little private garden. And so this is the walkway to the 露天風呂なんですか? So our room attendant Nakai-san, Miss Suzuki-san, was kind enough to let us know of this availability to check it out. 右ですか左ですか？
まっすぐです。
Okay, so we go this way. Okay. Oh.
こちらですね。
So it's nice.
失礼いたします。こちらですね。
Oh, you can come in this way. Okay. Take your shoes off here. Look at the little sitting area. And then here is the onsen. Very pretty. I guess the only thing is that it's a bit of a walk to get to the get here. It's not a long walk, but it is. You have to venture outside. So if the weather is extremely adverse or it's pouring rain, that would be a little bit of a nuisance to some. But you might feel that the atmosphere outweighs the whatever inconvenience you might experience during the use of this Ryokan. Anyways, huh?
They will clean before
Yeah, of course.
guests come.
Yeah. So right now it's checkout time. So, obviously you're surrounded by nature. The leaves come out, fall down, and so they clean it, of course, before each group of guests check in. So this is so let's take a look at the Shakunage from here. これは壁は隣の部屋とはなんかシェアしてるのかな？
隣の部屋、いや、こちら一つのお部屋です。こ
あ、
ちらの壁ですか？
角部屋ですか？
角部屋です。こちらの部屋。
入り口だけが廊下でつながってるけど、でもあっちは隣の部屋です。
あちらはですね、また隣の違うお部屋の露天があちらにございますね。
So this is Shakunage. So you can see this is the room. これも1階建てなんですね。
はい。
You can
全部平屋です。あちらが三船山です。
三船山、Mount 三船。Over here, this is これが三船楽園。
はい。
三船山。
あちらずっとお庭に。
Yeah, down below, there's a garden called 三
本来は
船
で。すね、そこにハンモックがかかっておりますので、今日はまだつけておりませんけど、
あ、
こちらにハンモックが
oh,
こうい
so
う形でかかります。
so they have a hammock that they place between that tree and this post, so you can kind of chill out. Maybe not. 12月はちょっとねあれだけども。So anyways, you're surrounded by sakura, cherry blossoms. 桜はいつ頃っておっしゃってました
3月下旬が満開でございます。
Towards the end of March is sakura at the peak, and then the 花そのツツジとかそういうの。
4月中旬です。
The azaleas are around mid-April, so you might get lucky and have it overlap, but although that's extremely uncommon. Anyways, thank you very much, Suzuki-san. This is Shakunage at Onyado Chikurintei. So we come in, you turn right from the entrance. This is the bathroom, single vanity, unlike Shuho that has dual. And then this is not onsen, just a regular bath. Again, the outdoor one is an onsen. So, なるほどね. And then this is the toilet. あ、これの方が新しいわ。
はい、最近買いました。
ね、リモコンでわかる。
リモコンが新しいリモコンね。
Okay, so that is, looks like the missus prefers this room to Shuho, mainly because of the view. Ne?
But you have to clean your body here, then you have to walk down to.
I know. I'm just saying you like the scenery. 景色でしょ? So this is the calling card. Shakunage at Onyado Chikurintei.